Okay, I'm on location right now at an automatic commercial alarm in White Plains at number 49 Mamaroneck Avenue. Some kind of restaurant establishment. I'm gonna approach it now. You got ladder 32, engine 70, car 2512, and a PD unit here. I just cleared from another automatic alarm just a few minutes ago with engine 67. All right, so 49's right there. I can hear the alarm going off. Looks like it's called Pick and Roll. Pick and Roll Soul. I never heard of that place. So automatic commercial alarm at 49 Mamaroneck Avenue. Came in a little bit after 2300 hours.